Hello students, let's start with or let we continue with our topic, that is how the state government work, chapter number 3, and we are going to discuss today working of the government. Before we go to that point, let me recall what we did last time. I hope you had watching the videos properly, and here we discuss about the one issue of the village, that is Patlapuram, who problem was receiving water once, I think so, 3 days, right? And district hospital is very far away, and there are so many patients of diarrhea, and water was uncleaned. So we also discussed that who is an MLA. We discussed already this also, and I also talked to you about the constituencies. How many constituency as per the population the constituencies are there, right? And we also discuss about legislative assembly, Vidhan Sabha and all, Vidhan Sabha and the legislative assembly. We discuss all, right? Then how do the MLA become a chief minister? That, and I also discuss with you the majority party and ruling party. Now how the MLA become a minister, we will discuss today. See, after election of the legislative assembly, we people are only the voters, right? The political party whose MLA won more than half of the number of constituencies in the state. Suppose there are 56 constituencies and he had won by the seat. Suppose he is a seat of Congress or BJP, whatever party he belongs, he seat more than half. Suppose 56 half, how much? And more than half, that means majority will be form the government. And I told you about coalition means I given a best example of Maharashtra has a coalition government, Congress, BJP, and I discussed with you NCP, right? So the leaders of the majority party have a right to appoint a chief minister, and actually chief minister is appointed by the governor. I think so we discussed this thing, and now we will discuss few duties and responsibilities of chief minister. So eligible for chief minister, he must be citizen of India. He is not from Africa or any other country. He should be Indian and 25 years of the age and should be a member of either house of state legislator. He should be member, not from outsider coming and inside and he become a chief minister, not at all. He would have worked some few many years in state, for the state. Then we'll discuss now what are the duties and responsibility of the functions. Let me tell you functions of chief minister. The chief minister is a leader of legislative assembly of a state. You keep a picture in front of you of Uddhav Thackeray because he is nearby your chief minister. So he elects the minister of council of minister. As he is the head of the council, he allotted its portfolios or department of them. What he used to do, he will not simply sit like this. He will be making the portfolios. He had departments of the people like health minister or other minister he will be making. The CM means chief minister is a main link between the governor and the state cabinet. Who are the people are working in the state cabinet and governor. Governor, without governor, we feel governor also have a duties and responsibilities. We are going to read further. Generally, the governor exercise all these functions on advice of chief minister, right? And it is his duty to communicate to the governor all decisions of the council of minister. If any council of minister is fighting or something, he want to change the party, he have to talk to governor. So as the chief spokesman of the state government, and all important documents on behalf of the government made. Okay, then sixth point is the policies and the working of the different ministers are monitored and coordinated by him. He have to monitor whether what is going on in the state. Like now in this pandemic, he is watching about, he is taking the update of the health minister also. He is taking about education. Please go through the newspapers or listen the news, you come to know, especially Marathi news you can watch, you can come to know many things about the state. So this year we are going to study the state. So he is announces and presides over the meeting of the council of minister. He used to take the meeting whenever any problem. Now in this pandemic, he may be taken many meetings, how the lockdown should be opened, how the unlocked, locked, everything, many issues were going on in our state. So the governor appoint or dismiss other minister on his advice. The governor can appoint any minister and he can be dismissed by any advice. The chief minister allocates or re-allots the portfolio amongst the ministers. So he have a that thing. So sole channel of the communication between his ministers and legislative, like bill, suppose he want a money, so he have to ask the central government, so he have to pass the bills and all resolutions and move in legislature must be have approved. Whatever discussion in happen in the state legislature, he have to discuss this much money we spend on this much money we spend on this. He remains to responsible for to the legislative assembly for act and perform by the state council of minister. Any minister is not acting properly, he have a right to talk with them. He have to make a proper reputation or proper rapport with all the state council ministers wherever in the assemblies. So these are the functions and power of chief minister. Now we will talk about the governor. Governor also play a vital role. The governor is a constitution head of the state. He is a head. He appointed by the president of the country. Now who is the president of our country? Kovind. That is, he had appointed our governor. So you should know. He appointed the chief minister and other ministers of the council of ministers. He also appointed the advocate general and other officers of the state. Every bill he has to approve by taking of the decisions. Every bill he has to approve, the governor, right? Then we will discuss further. Now working of the government, it is there in your textbook. And one more thing I would like to tell you, my dear children, the debate of legislative assembly, I can't make a debate. If the live class was there, so I can do it better, and I did many times in last year also, 2 years back. Now here is working of government. Now what is the working of government is very important. You can see in democracy there are various ways through which the people express their view and also take action. Let us look at some way. That is a press conference. Now what is press conference? See, there are so many channels, may I tell you, TV channels, newspapers and other organizations. They regularly talks on the government in democracy. And there are the various ways through the people can express their views. And action could be taken. Suppose some people are going for the strike. Now every day we can see the farmer is not getting a proper grain or not good monsoon, so they go on strike. So everyone in the newspaper, whatever decisions, whatever the problem occur in our state, the press conference passes to all over the state. By that it can be helped. So large number of the people from the different newspaper were present every time. Now we'll discuss about the press conference. Large number of the people from the different newspaper were present. When any action taken by this MLAs or legislative or a government, the first thing goes to press conference. Now what they are done with the action. So large number of the people from the different newspaper were present. The minister and some government officials were also present in legislative assembly. The ministers explain the step of government has taken, and it step is taken by the government. They used to talk, they used to say ऐसा ऐसा किया है हमारे सरकार ने, ये हमारे सरकार ने किया है, वो किया है, इतना फंड लगाया है, इतना पैसा लगाया है, ये सारे बातें बोलते रहते वो लोग प्रेस रिपोर्टर को. Because if they move wrong with them, or if they take a wrong action with them, it is not they have to pay the fine. So they were afraid of the press conference, The minister explained the step government has taken. The reporter asked many questions in this meeting. अभी क्या होगा? They sometimes know the minister said अभी हमको नहीं पता. They talk very arrogantly and they went off. You may be watching in the newses. The decisions were then reported in the different newspaper. And whatever they talk, every newspaper write in different way. You must see, mostly you can read the newspaper. For the civics, you should know, you should watch Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. I will appreciate you if you watch Lok Sabha and see the question hours. And also in our Maharashtra, you can find in Marathi also. I don't know Marathi, but English I used to watch Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. And question hours is that the problem are discussed by the speaker to the speaker, and the speaker goes to, and even chief minister is sitting with that. He also come to know about the state. Then see, you can see this slide where I put a press conference and newspapers. This is a press conference, you can see. Then we can see that during the next week the chief minister, now what happened here, I am giving the example of Patlapuram, that district went to the, now we were, because we were talking in this. So during the next week the chief minister minister for the health visited to Patlapuram district, because there is diarrhea, there is no hospital, so this person visited. And so he visited, and what happened, they went to visit the families who had lost their relatives, and they also visited the people in the hospitals. Now in this pandemic also we are unable to meet, but they are taking all the surveys going on now. The government announced the compensation for these families. Suppose any family is not enough, so they will take, अच्छा इतना मर गया तो हम लोग आपको कंपनसेट 2 लाख दे देंगे, 3 लाख दे देंगे, ऐसे उसको कंपनसेशन बोलता है, कोई भी कुछ हुआ तो. The chief minister said that the highly level inquiry committee will be asked to look after into the needs of district to provide the sanitation facility, and also request the minister for the public works take care. So what happened, if this diarrhea is going on, the water is not properly, so the minister will tell कि chief minister बोलेगा कि वो एरिया का बरोबर बंदोबस्त करो, सब सैनिटेशन अच्छा होना चाहिए, वो लोगों को अच्छी प्रोविज़न मिलना चाहिए, हॉस्पिटल्स अच्छे होने चाहिए, पानी के ऊपर बिल्कुल कंट्रोल होना चाहिए. सारे जो मुद्दे होते हैं वो सब डिस्कशन होने के बाद वो एक टीम बनाकर भेजता है, कमेटी बनाकर भेजता है, 10 लोगों की कमेटी, वो गांव में वो सब काम करने लगते रहती है. Like this, the chief minister also said the problems not only once it's sanitation, but also lack of cleaning drinking water, and also needs to district provide sanitation facility. And he also requested that the public minister officer that to take care the needs and the proper water supply. So all, as you see above, the people have a power, like chief minister have a taken action. So they do so through the various departments. Now these departments are appointed by the chief minister to form the power, to go to the proper channel. So they have various departments like public work department, agriculture department, health department, and education department, and so on. So they also have any questions, answer the question that asked by legislative assembly, and they convince the people, ask the question and proper step has been taken or not taken. At the same time, the newspaper and media widely discuss the issue of the government had response, for example holding the press conference. So government, you can see the government has decided a new laws. Now we will discuss further. So this decision was taken by this government कि वहाँ पानी अच्छा होना चाहिए, वहाँ क्लीन पानी चाहिए, वो मीटिंग कमेटी बनाई गई और उनको काम दिया गया. और ऐसा बहुत सारे मुद्दे रहते, एक छोटा ये मुद्दा नहीं, ऐसे बहुत सारे मुद्दे हैं जो कि वो गवर्नमेंट को सॉल्व करना पड़ता है. एट द सेम टाइम वो न्यूज़पेपर मीडिया जिंदाबाद रहते, वो हमेशा आके इंटरव्यूज़ लेते थे, वाइडली डिस्कस, ऐसा कब हुआ, क्यों हुआ. इसलिए लोग मीडिया से डरते हैं, मिनिस्टर लोग मीडिया से डरते हैं. So government also decide to take a new laws and state sanitation and health facility. For example, it may be compulsory for the municipal corporation to ensure that there is adequate toilets in every urban area. जो यहाँ की म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन को बोला जाएगा कि तुम ध्यान से देखो बरोबर सैनिटेशन है कि नहीं, देखो यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर, बरोबर सैनिटेशन है कि नहीं, हेल्थ अच्छी है कि नहीं लोगों के लिए. इट मे बी एंश्योर दैट हेल्थ वर्कर इज अपॉइंटेड इन द villages. It can be happen. So it can be ensured that health worker is appointed in the villages. You can see the lady is taking care of that. And this act of making laws of certain issues are done. You can find uh, done in the legislative assembly, and then it is of every state. We are not talking about our state of Maharashtra. Every state, because India is having a federalism, every state have their work by their own. The central government give an authority to state government that you can do in your own way, right? So the act of making certain issues done by the legislative assembly of each state, and various government departments then implement this law, and law for entire country made a parliament. You are going to read in next year about the parliament. Now this year about the state legislative assembly. Okay, I told you earlier in democracy. Now what is the conclusion of the lesson is, this is lesson is over here. One project is there in your textbook, page number 39. Go through that project. The wall have interest. If actually I am telling you frankly, if it would be in live classes, we would have enjoyed more in this chapter. It is so interesting. In democracy, it is the people who elected the representative as a member of legislative assembly, that is MLA, and thus it is the people who had a main authority. If you are not telling your problem to your government, the government will not solve your problem. So our duty is we should participate in the democracy, and our participation is very important. And not only participation, we also implement so many rules and regulation to take care of our surrounding, being a member of a citizen of India. Then conclusion is about this. In ruling parties, you can find the in ruling party members then form a government, and some members are appointed as a ministers. Ruling party, now here is BJP, not here is Shiv Sena is ruling party and NCP is ruling party. So they appointed their minister of their their party. So you can please go through you watch the AP Maza. I think so it's the best for you for the state government. This minister are charges in charge of various departments. The government such as health is a above example. It is given in your textbook. So we are taken health. There are so many issues. Agriculture, farmer is suiciding. So that suicide. So this is also a great important. Now yesterday 2 days back, government declare sugar rates should be profitable to the farmer. See how the farmer is, what the role of the farmer government understood, and they make up policies. So whatever, suppose education, we can take education. If the how the now education policy has changed, you can see how the state government also can have to change this policy, because central government said to every state have to change the policy. But now the policy, our language will be Hindi or Marathi, but other state maybe other language. So it is a government duty to take care of all this thing, but our duty is also there. Only our right is not there, our duty also there. Whatever work is done by this department has been approved by the member of legislative assembly, because if they will not approve this any work, how they will get the funds? So they have to approve. वो बिल पास करना पड़ता है. अगर बिल पास हो जाएगा तो ही काम होगा, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. उसके पैसे मिलेंगे, नहीं तो नहीं मिलेंगे. नहीं तो they will not have money that much to take from their own. Then this is a conclusion of the lesson. I am telling you this lesson is. Let me tell you one thing. Many things are not coming nowadays. Our assignments are not coming. Please complete your assignments and send us, because assignment carry marks. Okay, and this lesson is over. Coming lesson will be about history. Civics lesson is over. Right, I hope you understood the lesson, and please read the textbook. I will tell you, please read the textbook thoroughly. Thank you and God bless you.